Welcome to another adventure. Today we are in the limits of Siġġiewi and we are at Wied Ħesri. We will hike to reach Wied Ħesri from here and it will be an interesting adventure. So stay there, hope you are liking our adventures. Let's go. This is the typical path that one can find here. It's the first part, going through this valley. It's very raw and it's natural. These should remain as is, not with concrete, not with anything. It rained about 1 hour ago, so we will find a lot of water. Look, even here, there's a lot of water. It's very beautiful, the area. Wow, we're surrounding with nature. We are going down this part. It's very slippery because it rained and I'm taking a lot of care. I have a good hiking boots. You have to boom. You have to take great care. And we reached the main road. There are these poles here that stop from going like scramblers and other stuff going this way. And we ended up here. Look how nice here. There's the road over there and there's some passages as well to that area. So let's go and explore these parts. There's a bridge over there from where the water passes. A lot of, I don't know how they call it in English. In Maltese we call them asap. It's like sticks which need a lot of water as well to grow. So that is a sign that there is a lot of water going over there. Look, in fact there are some rainwater going from here. There's this passage over here, so we will go and explore this area. These poles to block from any like motorbikes and quad bikes, anything which cannot come here except by walking. It's a very nice area. I never been here. There's that bridge over there that I told you where the water passes. It's a really enjoyable area here. Look, it's very slippery, Coming here, especially after the rain, take great care. Look how nice. How many water. There are these puddles. Look over here. It rained about 1 hour ago, but it was on and off even during the night. It's a very nice area, full of trees, full of shrubs here. It's all natural, even the passage. It's narrow, but as I always tell you, please always use the paths that you find in such places to avoid creating new paths on your own. Look how many water over there. We are still walking in this path. Now it will become a bit wider. There are those that I told you, I don't know in English. They are asap in Maltese. And as I told you, they need a lot of water. And over here there's like a dam, it's a natural dam that keeps water from going further. The beauty of nature, It's very nice. Coming here, as I always tell you, please keep clean. It's very clean, the area. Look how nice. And from now on, the path, it's, as I told you, it's wider. It's all wet. Look how nice, We're in complete nature. although we are seeing some houses over there, but here it's all nature. It's natural, and let's keep these valleys as they are, untouched. Wow, eh? Wow. Look. It's a 360 degrees view. It's amazing. There's this man-made dam here, which is like a wall to stop the water from going on the other parts. So the farmers will use that water to water their crops in these fields, which are surrounding this valley. I am noticing something strange. Look at this almond tree. We are in winter and it already has these small flowers. Those are supposed to be, as far as I know, they are supposed to be there in spring, not in winter. Look what we did to nature with our actions. Since it was a lot of sunny days recently, this tree got mixed with the seasons. As far as I know, as I told you, those should be there in spring, not in winter. It's an enjoyable one, eh? Even if you come with your families here, with small children, this part is very safe. We can have a look here. Okay. There's like a small canal over there where the water passes. Very nice, huh? And the sun is going out. There's this path over here. We will go and then we will check where that path leads. But when we return back, we will have a look. And here we have an immediate answer where it leads, that path. Because there's water dripping over there. It's like a small canal. As I told you, it's all natural, this one. These rocks are even here. There's a lot of water. If you see any tadpoles or frogs here, leave them here. Don't take anything home. It's even illegal to catch frogs and tadpoles. And now we will continue from here. Look at these trees, how nice, huh? Very nice. I will show you this part, the water going down. And on the other side, as I told you, we have these beautiful trees. We have an airplane as well. A lot of sounds, eh? It's a mix, nature and man-made noises. Even the birds. It's in full bloom, eh? Since we are in winter, this is the best time to visit such valleys, because they will be in full bloom with many greenery. We need to find a way to continue here. Let me check if we can go through that part. It's very risky, but we will try to do it from here. We did it okay. It was not that hard to do it, but since there are a lot of water and many areas are very slippery, so you have to take great care. And here we have another obstacle, which we will try to pass from here. I am trying to get the best footage for you to enjoy, especially for those who cannot come here and enjoy this beauty. There are two paths, one over there and one over here. Let's go over here to check this area. I am hearing the water dripping, so look, even here there's a large like pedal. Okay, this one ends here because there seems to be, let me check if it's a private field. No, it's not. So let's continue a bit from here. Okay, there's another path here which leads to the fields. Look here. It's becoming interesting, huh? Even here, there's another passage which we will go through on our way back. Let me check this passage as well. As far as I know, this leads to the main road. But we will check a bit where this one leads. A lot of rocks are here and carob trees. They are protected by law, like small caves here. Let me go through this passage. It's a nice walk, huh? That part was a bit difficult, even with children you can do it, or you have to take great care, but this one seems to be okay. A lot of mud and it's very slippery, but nice walk, huh? The weather seems to be okay for now. I will end up this hike in Wied Ħesri here, because this path will end up in a private field. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Coming here with your family, even on your own, always take care of the environment. It was very clean. It's a plus. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel Angelo Caruana. Until the next one, bye bye.